Hey, I'm Marty from Spring Ahead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your merge tags in Mailchimp are going to work. I'll show you how to double check that and then how to set the defaults in case for some reason there isn't information in that field. I'm going to be sending this email campaign to all of my followers about how to personalize with merge tags, so I need some merge tags in here. The way to put it in is I'm going to start here with my hey, and then I want to say their first name. Right here, we have a merge tags little drop-down menu, and this should have everything that's in your contacts field. So I'm going to put first name right here. And this is how Mailchimp writes their little code. That star, line, the code for first name, a line, and another star. And then I would like to put a comma after that because I like good punctuation. But now how do you know that that's going to work? So what we're going to do is we're going to save this, and we're going to go to preview. Enter preview mode. And then once we're here, you want to do this, enable live merge tag info. If you look right now, it will say test first name. So if you look at this right now, or if you send yourself a test email, it will say test first name. That's one of the ways to know that it's working, but if you really want to know that it's working, you're going to do this, enable live merge tag info, and you're going to turn that on. And it's actually going to go through your contacts and fill in whatever merge tag info it needs there. So here's the Tooth Fairy. Its first name's Tooth. And then, for example, here, I have one that does not have a first name. So what it's done is it just has put nothing there, which means that we have a little space because our code was, hey, space, then the first name, then a comma, right? So that space still exists. If you don't want the area to be blank, if it doesn't have information, then you need to set up a default. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. The defaults for your merge tags actually live in your audience menu. So you'll go to these little smiley guys and then open up your audience. Once we're here, we're going to go to settings and then audience fields merge tags. So we're going to scroll down. These are all of the things that you could use a merge tag for. The email one I often use, if you wanted to put a sentence at the bottom of your footer that says like, this email was sent to, and then their email address, you would use the email merge tag. But we're going to put a default for first name. Now, this will depend on who you are and who you're sending them to. I'm going to put in emailers because that is who I send to. But you might do friend or customer or client, or you may just want to leave it blank so that if there isn't a name, it just says that hello part. There we go. And I'm going to save it. Well, guys, I hope that that solves your problems for you. I have tons more videos troubleshooting all kinds of things on Mailchimp and lots of beginner guides. So go ahead and check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you around.